I'm going to
Here
sell
we
it.
are. Okay, Mr. Bratzi, you got 10 cents off of the low, Mike. And they were 12.30 on the high of the day for the high. But the public went down in smoke because they were $60 yesterday. And you bought at a $3.10. Do you think you did yourself justice at wholesale?
Yes, sir.
Do you feel bad about it?
No.
Then take your money and learn how to work the bid and the ask. Sell it off. Oh, yeah, it's rising that bid. You're 10 pennies off the low on the 580 call. We got down here to our Apple call. Dang it. Look at it started to finally go up. Now everybody front and center. There it is. Right back to where it was. It got it at 45 cents there for the new people here. They were $7.75 on the high. They took them down here on options expiration. And now I will sell the glory. I'm selling it all.
It's not letting me go, Brian Plain. Something's wrong. I need help.
Here we go, MMT's $2.
There
you go. Now get it. Now get it. You got a big pop, and you finally got it, everyone. There it is right now. It's going to do just like those Apple calls did when they got down to 45 cents and made a dollar movement. You got that 10-minute, though. It's got to flatten out. That's that bottom right here. Now let's get over to that call contract. That hit 210. We got some at 220. We got some at 260.
Got to show me more than 8.
There it is. All right. What you're looking for, Corrine, is that big pop back up to 584.
There you go.
You hear me? That big pop back up to 584, young lady, which would take you right up to that Crown Vic at 584. And not only that, I've got that short squeeze. It's working. We're in the options expiration. And there was that low at 210 from 1230. Let us not forget, for you people that had to have high risk, what is that like from $60.80 to $2.10? What is that like? Anyway, I'm just going to get out of these at that 320 handle. We got to be exiting up here at these highs. Got to be exiting up at the highs with that movement. That movement, you're right there. It's a 580 call that expires today, and the bulls were taken to the woodshed on the earnings. Too bad. Told people to sell it. Didn't want to listen? You'll learn to. Tell me where I'm going to make that top end. And
you said you want us to limit out?
Well, I'm not losing. I've already got some people limiting out into it, so
you can't get above 50.
I don't really have much as far as profits. I only have
it's
one
okay.
contract.
You're not losing money. You're making a little. So the thing about it is you're wholesale, and this was retail. And you're always making something at wholesale levels. Some are a lot more. But right now, Google is at the 10-minute period moving average. And if this thing, oh, yes, you want to see that bar go up and you want to see that curl up behind it, that's what that's doing right now on an options expiration. Google's down 56.75. Oh, yeah, there it is. All right, Bratty, you would sell yours out at 360, Bratty.
I didn't get hit.
Okay. He's hit. He's going to limit out. We already got that last limit orders out. Okay. Last limit orders out. Okay. Into the move. I'm going to go back down and try to hit that bid. Yes, these 585 calls got down to 10 cents, everyone. Yes, they did. And yes, I had nickel bids, and I'd be selling them at 20 and taking my 15-cent profit. If I buy 100 of them down there for 500, and I sell 100, I'll make 2,000. Didn't take me a whole lot to do it, other than your 310 by 330 here, your 310 3 by 330, and not only that, this is what happened to people in options who do not know what they're doing. These contracts were $54.80, people. Yeah. It was a 585 call that did really well for Google, but the people didn't know when to sell, and they got taken down to 10 cents from $54.80. That's the reality. That's the percussion. Let it be known. At $60.80, you got marked down $58 per contract. But the 580 call was doing really well too. When Google was up there and hit our price target of 670, we have all the live videos on it. It was time to buy the rumor, sell the news, and whether you like it or not, this is what happens to people. The 420 calls that everyone loved got marked to 45 cents on the calls on a Friday expiration. It's the second calendar 2012 year weekly that they have ran the calls up, but then on the expiration day, they're taking that money out and the put side continues to pay higher. It's only the second week of confirmation of it. We'll have to have 4 weeks of that. Nonetheless, that's how you make money.